What's happening, my daily Quake feed, friends and family? So, just had a 6.1 earthquake in Dovio, Colombia. Dovio, Colombia. 6.1. Not too deep in the ground. I think it was 70 miles deep under the surface of the earth. 6.1. That'll make you shake, huh? Anybody been in one like that before? Let me know what it like, huh? Put it in the comments below. Talk about what it was like. 6.1. Dovio, Colombia. If I hear of anything that happened, we'll let you know. If you know of anybody that was in it, you let us know. We commune together, huh? Talk about the things that happen. One day at a time, huh? Just like my friends over here. You got the raccoon and the owl. The raccoon, the owl. Raccoon, owl. You like them both? Or you like none? It's up to you. 6.1 Dovio, Colombia. Hope the people okay. We'll keep you updated soon, huh? This Drewski, I'm out of here. Peace.